So good morning everyone. Welcome to online classes of Leal Public School. Today we will continue our chapter number 8. Chapter name is reproduction in animals. Okay. So let's start. Our today's topic is fish. So a fish lays thousands of eggs at a time in water. Baby fish hatch out of eggs. But only a few hundred baby fish grow into adult fish because many baby fish are eaten by bigger fish. Okay. जो फिश है वो भी थाउजेंड ऑफ एग जो है वाटर में ले करती हैं एंड वो जब हैच आउट होते हैं उसमें से बेबी फिश कम्स आउट करती हैं बट फ्यू हंड्रेड जो बेबी फिश हैं वही अडल्ट फिश में कन्वर्ट हो पाती हैं बिकॉज जो बिगर फिश जो होती है वो इन स्मॉलर फिश को या बेबी फिश को ईट कर लेती है. Now next one is reptiles. Reptiles like lizard, turtle, snakes and crocodile lay hard-shelled egg on the ground. Turtle and crocodile lay eggs in shallow pits near the river banks, and many eggs are eaten up by other animals. Only few eggs get warm from the heat of the sun and hatch. Okay. So turtle and जो crocodile है वो अपने egg जो river banks के पास में shallow pits होते हैं वहां देते हैं एंड बहुत सारे जो एग हैं वो अदर एनिमल्स उनको क्या करते हैं ईट कर लेते हैं. सो जो फ्यू एग्स होते हैं रिमेनिंग वो ही वार्मथ गेट करते हैं, हीट गेट करते हैं. हीट ऑफ द सन जो है सूरज की जो गर्मी है उससे वो वार्मनेस या जो वार्मथ है वो गेट करते हैं एंड हैच होते हैं. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज फिल इन द ब्लैंक. Reproduction is important for the continuity of life on the earth. Okay, so first answer is reproduction. In baby birds develop inside. In birds, baby develop inside an egg. Egg is our correct answer. Okay. Now third one is all birds reproduce by laying eggs. A butterfly lays egg on leaves, and the process of changes from a young form to an adult form is called metamorphosis. Okay. Now next topic is animals that give birth to babies. Animals like cow, cat, dog, elephant, giraffe, deer, zebra, hippopotamus and kangaroo reproduced by giving birth to babies. And the babies feed on mother's milk and such animals are called mammals. Okay, ऐसे एनिमल्स को हम क्या कहते हैं? मैमल्स कहते हैं. ऐसे एनिमल्स जो कि बेबीज को बर्थ देते हैं एंड उनके जो बेबीज हैं मदर के मिल्क पर फीड करते हैं, मदर का मिल्क ड्रिंक करते हैं. ओके, सो सच एनिमल्स आर कॉल्ड मैमल्स. ऐसे एनिमल्स को हम मैमल्स कहते हैं. Whale, dolphin and seal are sea mammals and human beings are also mammals. Okay, अब जो सी में रहने वाले एनिमल्स हैं एंड वो बेबी प्रोड्यूस करते हैं लाइक व्हेल, डॉल्फिन एंड सील्स, उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? सी मैमल्स. एंड जो ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं दे आर आल्सो मैमल्स. Most of the mammals have hair on their body, but whale and dolphin do not have hair on their body. ज्यादातर जो mammals हैं, most of the mammals जो हैं उनकी body पर hair present होती हैं, but whale and dolphin mammals हैं, but उनकी body पर hair present नहीं है. These are exceptional case. Now mammals breathe through lungs, and जो mammals हैं वो किसके through breathe करते हैं? Lungs के through breathing करते हैं. Clear? See in the picture, here is a dog with puppies and elephant with a calf. Okay, इनकी बेबीज हैं एंड जो अपनी मदर का क्या ड्रिंक करते हैं, किस पे फीड करते हैं? अपनी मदर के मिल्क पे. ओके, सो काउ, डॉग इज अ मैमल एंड एलिफेंट इज आल्सो अ मैमल. ओके. Now the baby develop inside the mother body for several weeks, and when the baby is born, the mother feeds it with her own milk and look after it. Okay, एंड जो बेबीज होते हैं वो सेवरल वीक तक कहाँ डेवलप होते हैं? इनसाइड द मदर बॉडी. मदर की बॉडी में डेवलपमेंट होता है बेबीज का. एंड जब बेबी बॉर्न होता है बेबी, देन उसके बाद में मदर जो है वो उसे अपना मिल्क फीड करवाती है एंड बेबी की क्या करती है? लुक आफ्टर करती है. ओके. Now here is some exceptional like spiny anteater and duck-billed platypus are the mammals, but they produce by laying eggs. Okay, ये एक्सेप्शनल केस है. जो स्पाइनी एंड ईटर है एंड डक बिल्ड प्लैटिपस एनिमल्स हैं, सी इन द पिक्चर, ये दोनों क्या है? मैमल्स हैं. ओके, इनकी जो क्वालिटीज हैं, जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं वो मैमल्स जो ग्रुप के एनिमल्स हैं उससे मैच करती हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई इन्हें मैमल्स ग्रुप पे रखा गया. बट ये एक्सेप्शनल केस है, ये मैमल्स हैं बट फिर भी ये क्या करते हैं? अपना रिप्रोडक्शन कैसे करते हैं? दे रिप्रोड्यूस बाय लेइंग एग. ओके. So she cleaned them and keep them warm. Mammals also protect their babies from their enemies and they also hunt for food. Okay, जो mammals हैं वो अपने babies को clean कर रखते हैं, उन्हें warm रखते हैं and mammals अपने babies को enemies से protect करते हैं and उनके लिए food के लिए hunt भी करते हैं. Okay, like lion जो है अपने baby को food provide करवाने के लिए hunt करता है. Okay, and see in the picture human being जो है अपने baby को clean रखते हैं, उसको warm रखते हैं, उसकी टेक केयर करते हैं ना, उसे एनिमी से या डेंजर से प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं एंड उन्हें फूड भी प्रोवाइड करवाते हैं. क्लियर? Now let's memorize what we had discussed in this chapter. First one is reproduction. So what is reproduction? The process by which living things produce young ones of their own kind is called reproduction. Clear? Second is albumin. White jelly-like substance present inside the egg is called albumin. Metamorphosis, the process of changes from a young form to an adult form is called metamorphosis. What is span? A cluster of eggs laid by a frog is called span. And the last one is mammal. So animals that give birth to babies and feed them with their own milk are called mammals. Clear? Now, summary is all living things have the ability to produce more of their own kind. Animals like birds, butterflies, and frogs reproduced by laying eggs, whereas deer, elephants, and whales reproduced by giving birth to babies. An egg has an eggshell, albumin, yolk, and an embryo. The stages of development from the embryo to an adult is called the life cycle of an animal. And the last point is mammals give birth to fully developed young ones. Clear? So here is our chapter number 8 is completed. I hope you all understood. Now let's discuss question answer of this chapter. So chapter name is Reproduction in Animals, part 1. First question is tick the correct answer. And question number 1 is which of the following animal lay egg? So our correct answer is frog. Okay, there are option cow, whale, frog, and dog. So our correct answer is frog. Frog is reproduced by laying egg. Clear? A white jelly-like substance present in the egg is called. And options are yolk, eggshell, embryo, and albumin. And our correct answer is albumin. Question number 3 is birds sit on their eggs to keep them. Options are cool, round, flat, and warm. So correct answer is warm. Okay. Next question number 4 is which animal's life cycle shows metamorphosis? And options are dolphin, butterfly, bird, and lion. So correct answer is butterfly. Okay, butterflies shows metamorphosis. Fifth number is which of the following animal is not a mammal? Options are dolphin, frog, monkey, and elephant. So correct answer is frog. Frog is not a mammal. Now, second is dictation word. Some word related to this chapter like reproduction, egg laying, incubation, eggshell, albumin, yolk, embryo, caterpillar, larva, pupa, metamorphosis, and span. So you have to learn these words. Clear? Now, question number 3 is fill in the blank. Reproduction is important for the continuity of life on the earth. In birds, baby develops inside an egg. All birds reproduced by laying eggs, and a butterfly lays egg on leaves. Next one is the process of changes from a young form to an adult form is called metamorphosis. Next, question number 4, that is true false. First one is all insect reproduced by laying eggs. So this statement is true. A butterfly's egg hatches into a tadpole. This statement is false because a butterfly egg hatches into a caterpillar or larva. Clear? Now, a tadpole hatches out of the frog eggs. This statement is true. Mammals give birth to young ones. That's also true. Next one is whales and dolphins reproduced by laying eggs. So this statement is false because whales and dolphins are mammals, okay, and they reproduce by giving birth to babies. Now one word is by which process bird keep their eggs formed. So correct answer is incubation. What is the other name of larva of butterfly? That is caterpillar. What is the process of skin shedding called? Molting. Which part of egg contain food for the embryo? So our correct answer is yolk. Yolk contain food for the embryo. By which process all living things produce their young ones of their own kind? And that process is called reproduction. Now name them. The process of changes from a young form to an adult form is called metamorphosis. White jelly-like substance present inside the egg is called albumin. The large clusters of egg laid by a frog is called sperm. The egg of housefly hatches into a larva is called maggot, and animals that give birth to babies and feed them with their own milk are called mammals. Next one is name the following two animals that reproduced by laying eggs, that is frog and bird. Two animals that reproduced by giving birth to young ones, cow and human beings. Two mammals that live in water, that is dolphin and whale. Next, question number 4 is 4 stages of the life cycle of a butterfly. So it's egg, caterpillar, pupa and adult. And the last one is two mammals that reproduced by laying eggs, that is spiny anteater and duck-billed platypus. Clear? So here is our chapter 8 part 1 is completed. Next part we will continue in our next class. Okay, thank you so much.